I'm Laddie, and this is my first video posting on YouTube. It's going to be the first one of a series for the build I'm going to do, which is a conversion taking a V6 automatic Commodore and putting an LS manual in there, and then also a turbo kit. I did build the turbo kit all myself, and in future videos I will show you what was involved and how to possibly do it yourself. But maybe we should start off. I'll show you the car that we're actually doing the conversion to. Now it is a VY Commodore 1-tonner, so it makes it a tray back. Up the front it's the same as any VT to VY Commodore, just they put the chassis and the tray in the back. And also for my maybe American viewers, that's exactly the same as what you'd see in the front of a GTO. Same engine bay, same front, they just customised it a little bit. This car was originally Ecotec V6 with 4L60 automatic, M75 diff. I've already put a V8 diff in it, which is a Dana 86 30 spline LSD, so it's ready to go for the V8. And I've already taken all the auto and the V6 out because no use video on that, and no one really wants to see a V6. So for the conversion I'm pretty lucky. I have another Commodore 1-tonner VY that's been crashed. That was originally an Ls1 6-speed car, so I have all the parts that I need to convert it straight over. I'll go through in detail all the parts that you might need or will need. I'll also show you some other parts going into it. This is the engine, Ls1. I'll talk more about that when it comes time to putting it in. Some turbo manifolds and crossover that I built myself. Also future videos will show that. I've got the VS Racing 7875 billet and the VS Racing blow-off valve and wastegate. There's some other stuff there, Siemens Deka injectors, 2-bar map sensor, rising rate fuel reg, Walbro 450, all the pretty usual stuff. It will be an Ls1 T56 car, so there's the gearbox over there, and there's a new clutch for it. I have done a lot of modifying to some of this stuff, but this is more of just an introductory video, so I'm just sort of showing you what I got for it. I'll show you what's involved in putting it in and go into a bit of detail. There's the intercooler pipe and intercooler and stuff that's going to go in there. Radiator, it's all there. So yeah, it should hopefully it might interest some of you guys to watch this go along. It's going to be the same for any V6 Commodore up to VY. VZ's a little bit different, so rule that out. VZ won't be the same, but you know, if you're interested in this sort of stuff, you could subscribe to my channel and come along this build with me. And like this video to start with, and ask any questions in the comments if you've got any questions about what's happening. And I think for the first video, well, the first video I've actually worked on the car, we're going to change the pedals out from just the single brake pedal automatic setup to the brake pedal clutch pedal setup. Start there, and we'll just take it step by step from there, and in the end we'll be driving around in turbo LS manual car with about 500 at the wheels, and it'll be fun. There'll be some good videos coming up, so yeah, stay tuned.